Morning sailors and welcome back to Cruising as Crew. My name is Lucy and today is a very exciting day because I have a day off. So the whole shops team have been working really hard for the past week to get as much done as we possibly can, and obviously there is still loads to do before passengers come on board, but we have made a lot of progress. So our managers have given the shops team a day off, which is amazing because for anyone who works on cruise ships, you will know that having a full day off where you have no work to do at any point of the day is really rare. Normally there's always going to be something, like you might have the day off but you might have to work in the evening, or you might have a drill or something, but there's no drill and there's no work, there's no meetings. So yeah, a full day off, which is absolutely fantastic. I don't know what I'm going to do, we'll see, but I thought I'd bring you along with me. I didn't set an alarm because I thought there's not going to be many chances where I get to not set an alarm and have a lie-in, but I woke up at 8:30 naturally, so we're going to go to the gym and we're going to do some stretching and yoga. I haven't actually been to the gym yet, I've only worked out outside, so may as well try it out while I can.
I think about you all the time, babe, 24/7. I wish that you could say the same, but it's not ever mutual. No, it's just the usual. I care too much, you don't care enough. I'm kinda used to it by now. I don't expect return. I willingly allow myself to give what I deserve, it's true. I give it all to you. You don't seem to care, and that's not fair. Wish I could tell how you feel instead of feeling ignored. If you don't appreciate me now, tell me, what am I staying for? I'm good at acting like I'm fine, and then I write these songs, but I can get over dramatic, and I'm the one who's wrong sometimes. But if you could reply and just once, that'd be enough. I respect that you have.
So I've just showered and got changed and I'm absolutely ravenous, so I'm going to go and meet my friend Owen and we're going to have breakfast. But instead of having breakfast at the Mess, which is what we usually do, we're going to treat ourselves and go to Grounds Club, which is the coffee shop on board. So they've obviously got a nice selection of coffee and like pastries and stuff, so that's where we're going to have breakfast today.
Tell how you feel instead of feeling ignored. If you don't appreciate me now, tell me, what am I staying for?
Shocking. Come on, man. This is nice.
So we have just come to watch Virgin Galactic's launch with Richard Branson himself. I think that this is his first time, so this is Richard's first time into space on Virgin Galactic. But it's pretty cool that we're watching it whilst we're on his ship.
And I'm hearing the feather is down and locked now. It's all about balancing her potential and kinetic energy. So if the pilots want to go faster, they point the nose down, and if they want to go slower, they bring the nose up. And excited about what we just witnessed, and there's one person in particular who's got to be having all of the feels right now. You can see him sending a congratulatory shake to his passenger Colin Bennett there with him. It's Richard and the crew up there today.
And now I'm looking down at
back after watching Galactic's Unity 22 launch, which, I mean, it's just incredible, isn't it? Richard Branson has gone to space today. It's mad. There is nothing this man can't achieve. But since I have got back to my cabin, I'm going to put some makeup on and film another video for you guys because I just have so much time on my hands. So why not?
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me.
So I've just finished filming that video for you, and now it's lunchtime. I'm hungry again, shock horror, but I'm really excited because today the galley, which is on deck 15 and it's a restaurant, a sailor restaurant, is going to do some stress testing today. So me and a few of my teammates are going to help them out, do them a favour by going to have lunch in the galley, which I'm really excited about because if it's anything like it was last year, it's going to be incredible.
You and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
So our dinner has just come. Look at this. Lauren, what you? Oh, look, incredible. We all went for the burger. Freddie's still waiting for his. It will come soon. So I've just got back from the galley after having lunch. And I'm so tired. Honestly, that was just divine. So good. And I'm knackered. I'm absolutely knackered now. So I'm going to take my makeup off and I'm going to edit a video. Unless, I mean, I might have a nap. Because I've got the day off, so I can.
Waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside.
Now I'm going to put a face mask on. So I'm going to use MAC's charcoal face mask.
See us in our dreams. I'm outside. Been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
I love it when the mask starts to tighten. You slowly lose the ability to move your face, otherwise it's going to crack. But well, this has been on long enough. I can no longer move my face, so I'm going to go and take it off. Oh, that's so nice. My skin feels amazing now. I just wanted to say as well, like, I'm sure some of you are wondering, why are you in a sailor cabin? I'm pretty sure we saw you move to your crew cabin. Basically, Sailor Services have let me use a sailor cabin for the time being because obviously we don't have sailors, passengers on board, so we do have an abundance of free sailor cabins. And yeah, they've been kind enough to let me use it during the day, which is incredible. So it's lovely because I've got a day off today, so I can just sit and enjoy the balcony and be by myself. Not that I don't love everybody on here, but you know, sometimes it's nice to just have a little bit of you time. I'm really grateful that they're letting me use this space because it just makes my life a whole lot easier with like filming videos and stuff. Because as I've said before, I can film videos in public spaces, that's not a problem, but there's just background noise, and also it is a little bit awkward if I'm filming a video and there's loads of people walking past like, oh, hello. So it's just nicer for me if I can film it without people looking. Richard Branson went up into space today, and also it is the Euro final, so it's the England-Italy game tonight. So the ship are going to play the game in 4 different venues, I believe. I'm going to try and watch it in the casino because they've got like a big screen in there, so I believe they're going to play the game on the big screen. And yeah, I think it's going to be really good. I'm very excited. We are here, ready to watch the game.
Hello. Coming home.
He's coming home. Oh my lord. I've just got back from watching the game. What an evening. Well, we didn't bring it home. Well done to Italy, congratulations. That was heartbreaking but good. Obviously there's so many nationalities on board the Scarlet Lady, but for some reason it ended up being like half English and half Italian. So the atmosphere was so tense. I mean, you could cut it with a knife, but it was brilliant. It was so great of the ship to actually play that for us. As you could see in the little videos there, they'd set out the chairs so that we could all like socially distance and watch the game, and we wore our masks and stuff. So yeah, it was really good, and there was like table service with drinks. So like a huge thank you to the bar staff that worked during the game to make all of our evenings really special. Oh, what a day! What a day! This has just been lovely. I'm so relaxed, ready to go back to work tomorrow, because honestly, if I had another day off, I don't know what I'd do. Richard went to space, Italy brought it home. But anyway, guys, I am going to end the vlog here because I'm going to go to bed now. But I want to say a massive, massive thank you for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you. And if you could hit that like button, if you do enjoy these videos, it would really, really mean a lot to me. And also, please message me on Instagram at Cruising as Crew your video suggestions and any questions you have, because I love hearing from you guys. It really makes my day. But I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.